The difference between a birdberry or honeysuckle and an autumn olive, which my goats are eating on, I'm going to shake. The birdberry, which is not edible at all, it's poisonous to us, has no spots. That one's kind of pruny because it's old. They also fruit slightly sooner, and the back of the leaf is still green. Autumn olives, the berry has spots. It's very tasty. And the leaf is silver on the back. Also has spotting on the front. That's how you can tell what you can eat and what you can't. Autumn olive and birdberry. Let's see, leaves look very different, even on the older leaves.